it's like figuring it out while I'm looking for it.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh, it sees the tree. It's going.
There, I turned it off.
So that's not you?
I turned off the height floor. I'm not controlling it.
Yeah.
Don't run in front of those people, Mitchell.
He can't see moving objects, Mitchell.
Mitchell, run this way. Oh my gosh. This is actually a really cool video.
Wow.
Dude,
That's really good.
the video was really cool. The sun was like bleeding through the...
Go this way.
No,
Go
don't hit us. It'll back up right into us unless we stand perfectly still.
What's the minimum like around it?
I don't know. Maybe 2-3 feet.
Oh, twigs.
Yeah, if it's
good, though.
if it's a thin branch, they say it might have a problem.
Wow, that gets real close. Oh, person.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, now he's just... he's gonna ruin it. He's trying to trick it. No, there's people. Don't go towards people. There's moving objects. Sorry. Oh, sorry.
Mitchell, we said don't come over here.
You have control still, right?
I can
Like, force
switch
it,
to
It's good now.
manual.
Sorry.
Mitchell loves running right towards
Yeah, he's
people.
like, people, I'm gonna run towards
And then he
them.
stands there like, come on, drone. They're walking. Who cares? Oh gosh.
It saw us. It just went over.
It did. I think we were not moving enough. Which is good. A good thing.
Why does that light turn on and off?
It says lost subject. Oh, it found
there
you
it is.
again.
That's why the light turned off.
Hey, it found him
And
again.
the lights in the back turn off when it loses
Oh, interesting. It think. Whoa, Jesus. I was looking at the screen. I wasn't sure what was happening.
it. He's doing it on purpose.
Let's see what this range thing does. Oh, that goes back. It's always the opposite of
Does
what
his
I think.
LEDs change?
It wants to.
Because then
Make it
remember, we wanted
real.
blue,
Ah.
and then it changes red.
So this is as close as it's going to get to you.
Oh, you can't adjust the distance.
Let me see if I can manually take over real quick. No, it's just changing the angle of like what like right now it's set to his like the front or something, or it's set to a certain position.
Yeah.
Oh jeez. Thanks a lot,
Doing
Mitchell.
good with the
It
slight
says
breeze.
subject lost,
It's doing good with the slight breeze too.
and it found you again.
So, Matt, you hide behind a tree, we'll say subject lost, and see if it finds you or me.
Oh, like Matt will come out instead of you?
Yeah.
Ah, that's a good one.
All right.
That's the same tree.
Yeah. All right. So Mitchell, hide behind that tree now.
Yeah, get close.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
It switched. It switched to Matt. That's hilarious. That was like a magic trick on the screen, by the way. It was like, and then Matt comes out. A terrible, terrible magic trick.
We're like, ta-da!
Wait. Hold on, if I do this.
It's still on Matt.
No.
And then it's like, oh, I see a massive blue head. Oh.
Whoa! Ah! Trying to get it to hit us? Yes.
This is how it's going to make us exercise.
Quick, Mitchell, take it back.
Oh, gosh.
Or stand perfectly still so it won't hit you. Oh my gosh.
You turn the AC thing back on.
What the what? That back on? Hey.
Like run towards it. It'll shoot back.
It sounds all scared. It's all
You shoot my sound effects, and it does. Doctor, what's the doctor's name in Futurama?
Hey, it's on me now. Yay! I get control of the drone. Come here, drone. Come tell these birds what's what. I have the power of the drone, birds.
Lord and Savior is back.
Yes.
Oh, most exercise in 3 months. Well, at least we know it does kind of stay clear around from.
Oh boy.